Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. Today, I'm going to show you how to add Solana to your Phantom wallet. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this tutorial will guide you through each step, making it super easy to store your SOL safely. So let's dive right in. First, we need to make sure that you have the Phantom wallet installed on your browser. Phantom is a browser-based wallet that supports the Solana blockchain, making it perfect for storing and managing SOL and other Solana-based tokens. Open your web browser and go to the official Phantom website at phantom.app. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid any phishing scams. Once you are on the website, click on the download button. Phantom is available for Chrome, Brave, Firefox, and Edge browsers. Select the browser you are using and follow the prompts to add the extension. After the extension is installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar. You will see an option to create a new wallet. Click Create New Wallet and follow the instructions to set up a secure password. Make sure to back up your recovery phrase in a safe place. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if you ever lose access. Next, click on the Phantom icon again to open your wallet. You will be greeted with the main dashboard where you can see your wallet balance and recent activity. To receive SOL, we need our wallet address. Click on the Deposit or Receive button or simply click on your wallet address at the top of the Phantom wallet. This will copy your wallet address to your clipboard. Now, head over to the exchange where you have your SOL such as Binance, Coinbase or Kraken. Log into your account and navigate to the withdrawal section. Select Solana as the currency to withdraw. Paste the wallet address you copied from your Phantom wallet into the recipient address field on the exchange. Enter the amount of SOL you want to transfer. Double check that the wallet address is correct to avoid sending your SOL to the wrong address. Once you are sure everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Solana transactions are usually very fast, but it might take a few seconds to a few minutes for the SOL to show up in your Phantom wallet. You can check the status of your transaction on the Solana Explorer by pasting your wallet address. Click on the Phantom wallet icon to open it. You should now see the SOL you have just transferred reflected in your balance. Phantom wallet offers various features like staking SOL, adding other tokens, and connecting to Solana dApps. Feel free to explore these once you are comfortable with the basics. And that's it. You have successfully added Solana to your Phantom wallet. It's really that simple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more crypto tutorials and finance tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.